I made one of those really cute witch brooms using Dollar Tree items. So easy, so simple. So you'll just get like a plunger from Dollar Tree and you can paint it any color. You could stain the wood. I love that it is wood, so you can do a lot of things with it. But I just painted mine black so that it's nice and simple. And I only did one coat of this. So real easy. And you don't even have to really paint the bottom because it's going to be covered by the rope. I got the nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I ended up using four of these. I did buy four because I thought it would take four, and it did. It took up all four. I was hoping it would take less, but it took all four. So you'll cut them down to the size that you want. So you'll pick a spot on the handle there and you'll cut it down to the size that you want, and you'll just cut them all the same size. So this was the first one. I just cut them, like I said, all the same size. And then once I did that, I unraveled them, and then you're just going to glue them directly on the handle. So quick, so easy. This is just really the hardest part of the whole thing right here, is just putting these on, because you do have to put them on, individually, and then you do have to layer them. So if you wanted to a little bit to poke out at the top, make it nice and even so that it can poke out real nice. This was with one full thing from the Dollar Tree, and then I went on to the second one, and I'm just showing you that you can just stack them on top, but you'll do it a few pieces at a time. So you can stack them on top. But if you don't want to put all four of them directly on top of each other, you can do this in layers. So you can do one layer, and then you can do another layer like kind of directly above it. I ended up, this is after the second one, I ended up coming in and doing some towards the bottom too, just to give it more fullness towards the bottom, and just to me it helped it look a little bit better. So for those, I did cut those shorter though, so I didn't cut them as long as I cut the other ones. I cut them like half the size, and you want to make sure that everything is out of your way so that you're not gluing down the first pieces that you did. Or you can start out by doing the shorter pieces and then working your way up, but you can do this any way that you want to. But this is, like I said, this was the hardest part of the whole thing. And so then this is it with the pieces. And then I'm using this wired jute, but you can use like twine, you can use more of the nautical rope, you can use ribbon right there, you can use whatever you want, just to give it that broom look. You know how the broom was always pulled together by the pieces. And then I just glued it down. I ended up using the whole pack of that. And then again, if you want even more fullness, you can unravel these even more, and then it'll give it a fuller effect too. This will take some time to do that though. And then I got these ribbons from Dollar Tree, also $1.25, and they have a ton of really cute ones in. So I'm just gonna cut them all the same length and do kind of a messy bow for this right here. So I just cut them, and then for the big one, I cut it down the middle to give it those little peaks there. Then for the shorter ones, I just cut them just the same length. You can cut them the same length, you can cut them shorter. You can make like a really pretty bow if you want to make a really pretty bow, but a lot of the ribbon at Dollar Tree has like really cute details too, which I think is great. And then you just stack them on top of each other and then tie it together. So this is real simple. And then once you're done doing that, you can just fluff it out to give it the fullness till you get the look that you want it to have. You can even stack more layers on this. You can put some twine in there too. You can do this a bunch of different ways. This is real easy. And you can use this bow to make for all kind of different things, for like door hangers, all kind of different things. I love a messy bow because it doesn't require a lot of skill at all to make the bow. Once I made the bow, and they also too have bows that you can get already done at Dollar Tree too, and you can add a little to it. So I got some of the little spiders that they have at Dollar Tree. They have these in different colors, and these come with little clips on them too, so you can reuse these too if you want. So I just found a space and put that little spider on there, and then I found these little like flowers kind of. I thought these were cute. They have these in different colors too at Dollar Tree, and again these comes with the clip on it too. And then I glued down the bow, and that was it. This is so quick, so simple. But if you do like, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and I'm going to be showing you some more. And oh yeah, I added lights too on the bottom. You can add string lights too if you want, but I think these are real easy. The little lights, you can flick them on and off.